Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing an offline setup so Windows won't require a Microsoft account. First, boot from your Windows 11 USB or ISO. Once the installer loads, disconnect Ethernet and turn off Wi-Fi. If your device detects internet, use the network icon to disable connections or unplug cables. Make sure you have a short local username ready and any license key. Doing this prevents automatic cloud sign-in and lets you choose a local account path in the next screens. Once done, follow the installation prompts and when asked to connect, choose the option like I don't have internet or set up for personal use, and then pick the offline account path. You will be asked to enter a local username and password, use a memorable but strong password, and set a hint. Make sure to decline any prompts that offer Microsoft account features or sync. This locks your device to a local profile and avoids automatic cloud sign-in and telemetry linking. Finish the out-of-box experience and install drivers while still offline. Once stable, you can reconnect and run Windows Update. If Windows later prompts for a Microsoft account, go to Settings Accounts to switch to a local account or use Control Panel user management tools. If something goes wrong and the installer insists on a Microsoft account, disconnect all network interfaces and restart setup, or use the reinstall method with media creation. This quick network cutoff is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.